how to find your Bitcoin wallet address on Edge Wallet. So if you want to find your Bitcoin wallet address on Edge Wallet, it is very simple. You normally want to find your Bitcoin wallet address if you are trying to receive Bitcoin from someone or someone is trying to send you. You need to provide them your wallet address. Now in order to find it, right when you log in, you can see on the home page there is an option called deposit from the top. Just tap the deposit button. Now here you can see from bank or cash or from another wallet exchange. So we want to select from another wallet or exchange. We want to find our Bitcoin wallet address, so we will simply select Bitcoin right here. So this QR code is our wallet address. You can also see a couple of, let's say, a couple of wallet addresses here. You can choose to copy it. You can send this to the sender, and then after that, if they paste this particular wallet address, they will be able to send Bitcoin to you. This way you'll be able to find a Bitcoin wallet address on Edge Wallet. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.